guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So please take a moment, hit that red subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video you will get notification. इंस्टाग्राम पे अब हर इन्फ्लुएंसर का एक खुद का ब्रांड आ रहा है, फ्रॉम क्लोथिंग, स्किन केयर, मेकअप टू लिटरली एवरीथिंग. बट द रियल क्वेश्चन इज, क्या ये प्रोडक्ट सही में अच्छे हैं या सिर्फ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का हाइप है? सो मैंने आप लोगों का काम बहुत ही आसान कर दिया है. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई ऑल द इन्फ्लुएंसर ब्रांड एंड गिव माय ऑनेस्ट रिएक्शन फ्रॉम पैकेजिंग, क्वालिटी एंड प्राइस टू see whether they are actually worth it or not. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Now the very first brand is this Acute and this is by Akansha Komerelli and this is what I am wearing. And मैं इसके launch event में गई थी and I genuinely love the product and this is what I am wearing. High neck sleeveless bodysuit and the fabric is so comfortable. दिस फैब्रिक फील्स लाइक क्लाउड. बॉडी सूट आपके बॉडी को बहुत ही अच्छे से स्कल्प्ट करता है एंड आई होप यू कैन सी जो इसकी लेयरिंग है वो डबल है एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छे से आपकी बॉडी को स्कल्प्ट करता है एंड ऐसा लुक देता है कि आपने एक शेप वेयर पहना हो. बट ऑनेस्टली दिस इज सो गुड प्रोडक्ट. मेरे पास इनके टॉप है in black color and in this rosewood color and ये rosewood color का body suit and trust me guys, I love their product. Basically they sell in all the neutral color possible, so मेरे पास काफी सारे इनके product है and trust me on this, their product are so universal that you can dress them up, dress them down according to your mood, so which is a great point. And talking about the quality, 5 on 5, fabric 5 on 5, प्राइसिंग ठीक है थोड़ी सी हाई है बट actually they worth every single penny. I will pop all the prices on screen so you can check them out. The next brand is Verified and which is by Anam Chashmawala and I have their perfume trio pack. This is how it looked. The packaging looked quite good and sturdy. And talking about the perfumes, I have 3 different variants and this is in the variant Her. So I have all the 3 different variants. I really appreciate when brand make this kind of travel pack so that I can smell all the fragrances before committing it to full size. So the very first fragrance is this and this is Verified June. This fragrance is very floral, powdery, woody, spicy. It like this is very feminine fragrance. I really love this fragrance. The next fragrance is Influence. Wow, this fragrance is so good. This is very aqua fragrance, like aqua, woody, spicy, citrusy, like it's hit all the right spot. Wow, I love the fragrance more than the June. I really love the Influence. The last fragrance from the set is Evolution. Surprisingly, this also smells so good. It smells like somewhat like mogra, vanilla, caramel, like it's all the good thing, like it's very sweet kind of fragrance. From this set, my personal favorite has to be Influence because I really love very aquatic, woody kind of fragrances. So this fit in perfectly. This travel pack costed me rupees 599 and all the fragrances are so good and I will genuinely use them. Next brand is Indivild and which is by Deepa Khosla. The product which I have is Dewy Lip Treatment. This is a lip treatment mask, so if you have dry and chapped lips, so definitely this product will work because I am using this product from past 1 year or so. So this definitely helped with my chapped lips. So this is my 4th purchase from this brand and this is the only product which I go back for. This made my lips super hydrated, super juicy, so definitely this product works. Talking about the price range, so they are not very affordable, they are midly segmented and they are priced at rupees 799 and above. Talking about the brand is clean, vegan and aesthetic. Like look at the packaging. The packaging is super minimal, super cute, clean and aesthetic. Talking about the ingredient which they use very Ayurvedic ingredient in their champi oil and all. And in this they use 2% vegan butter, peptide squalene and shea butter. So definitely this will help with your chapped lips. So it will give genuine result. So the hype around is super real and I would like to try more product from them, especially their Champi oil and the shampoo which they have launched. Up next, I have this lipstick. This is by My Use and which is by Shalini Srivastav. If you don't know her, she is a beauty creator and she creates so much content around beauty, and I really love her content. Now coming back to the product, look at the product. The packaging is super classy and look at that golden detailing on it. It's looks super luxurious. This is proudly made in India product. This is vegan and cruelty free and it's a clean beauty brand. And coming to the lipstick, look at the shade. The shade looks so pretty, and this is in the shade Misty, and I got it from Amazon for around 5.99 or 4.99. Look at that beautiful shade of brown. This is so creamy and it's highly pigmented, and let me just try it on my lips. The formulation is so comfortable, it's so creamy, although it does transfer because this is very high shine and creamy lipstick, and it feels super lightweight on my lips, and I genuinely love the product. So they have wide variety of lipstick and wide variety of shade to offer, so definitely you can check their product out. Up next, I have this. This is the lip tint and this is by Alt K and which is owned by Nitiba Kaul. The packaging is so Zenzi coded and the packaging feels so luxurious. And look at that embossed Alt K beauty on this. And this is the lip gloss and this is in the shade 02 Pretty. This is what the shade look like. The shade looks so pretty. It's so high shine and very pigmented. I have used this gloss quite a few times and it lasts decent amount of time. And coming back to the product is vegan, cruelty free and made in India. So it's all the good thing. Talking about the price range is not very affordable because they fall in somewhat luxury category. So the price of this gloss is 1190 and it's not affordable at all. They don't have vast variety in makeup. They only have lip glosses, a blush and the tinted serum. That's it. And when it comes to makeup, I look for pressed powder, eyeshadow, eyeliners and all, and they don't cater to that, so little bit disappointment on that edge. Next up, I have this night suit and this is by brand Intrencio and which is owned by Ashi Adani. I got this in small and look at the fabric. The fabric feels so nice, so soft because it's 100% pure cotton, and look at that print. I really love the print. And look at the detailing. It has quite a big pocket. आधा हाथ इसके अंदर चला जा रहा है. And it has pocket on both the side, which is so good. It feels so soft, so nice. And look at that print, heart all over. And look at that print, like red is popping through it. And they really have cute name, and this is in the variant Love Note. And the best part about this night suit is I don't have to wear bra anymore in this. Like, this is a blessing for a girl, like you don't have to wear a bra inside. So this night suit does it all. Talking about the price is 2000 and it justify the price. And this is what the night suit look like on me. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.